This is the website design demonstration portion of this module. Website design is another profitable freelance skill because not only can you charge for building a website, but you can also charge monthly for managing, hosting, maintaining, and optimizing a website, which makes it an extremely profitable skill with huge demand. The reason that websites are in such high demand are because, number one, there are more people creating businesses every single day and more brands being born every day. And number two, because people need website redesigns. And what a website redesign is when you recreate a website for a business. So you take their existing website and you build a more updated version of it. As technology continues to advance and as new platforms come out to build websites, it's very easy to tell when a website is out of date. Not only that, but there's also security enhancements as technology gets better. So all of these are ways you can help get business. Because once you learn how amazing this platform is I'm about to show you, it will change your idea on what building a website consists of. And the platform I'm going to show you is called Duda. And you can get there by going to duda.co. That's duda.co. It's also in the Profitable Tools and Apps handout, just like all of the other websites and apps that I have been showing you. So Duda is a website builder that allows you to grow your freelance business by building websites that are easy to build and quick. The reason that they're easy to build and quick is because it all works off of widgets that you drag and drop and create the website from. On top of that, it starts with a template. Just like all of the other tools and websites I've been showing you, this is what separates an average tool from an amazing tool. And the amazing tools have templates that are already well designed by professionals. And all you have to do is change logos, change the content, and change the colors, and you can create beautiful websites that you can sell for thousands of dollars. Duda is also a very popular platform. They're approaching 16 million sites at the time of this recording, and it's estimated that every 17 seconds a new website is created on Duda. This is because people are looking for a platform that's easy to manage, and WordPress, quite frankly, is not. You also have the ability to give your clients access to their site. And as opposed to WordPress, that's difficult for a client to figure out what to do, Duda is very simple. And after a simple training session, you can actually train your clients to make some small updates on their own without needing your help. Anything more advanced, they can get in touch with you and you can easily build out any new pages or anything that they need. And now I want to get to the template portion of this demonstration. Duda has two different ways you can view the templates. You can either look at the Get Inspired or the See Templates portions. The Get Inspired is pretty cool because you can look at some real websites and get some real inspiration. These are real websites and businesses that use Duda to manage and build their site. You can scroll through and you can see all the different websites for each category, and you can get a taste for what themes look like and what templates look like when they're built for real businesses. Now let's hop over to the actual template portion of the website. And once again, on the left, you can see all the different categories of templates. And in the center and the right-hand side of the screen, that's where the templates load. And the cool part about Duda is they have all new themes every single month. They keep uploading new themes. Everything that says new, I haven't even seen before. They really are very on top of creating new themes all the time. And just like with all of the other things I taught you, all of the other skills where you start with the template that makes the most sense, that's the same thing you do on here. So let's say you're building a website for a restaurant. You would click restaurant and you can start with themes that are literally built for restaurants. You can also click preview to see how the website functions on every device. You can click through to desktop, tablet, and even mobile. You can see how the menus interact and how the overall site looks. Duda is very self-intuitive, and you can get the hang of this very quickly. If you start with the theme that makes the most sense for the potential client you're working on, and then you build it with copywriting best practices and graphic design best practices, you can start to have really good success, as well as bundle on a monthly management package. Now I'm going to log into my account so I can show you what the website editor looks like on the other side. So now I am logged in. Let's say we want to build a website for a personal trainer. All you have to do is click Start Building. Let's write Sample Site. And Duda will, in the blink of an eye, create the website that you just selected. From there, just like with ActiveCampaign, just like with Canva and everything I'm showing you, everything works from drag and drop editors in this day and age. So you no longer need to be a coder or need to know any advanced skills to build beautiful websites that sell. All you have to do is work from an existing theme and you can edit everything else. So you can highlight the text, you can edit it, you can delete any part of it if you want. And it's the same thing with everything else on the page, the photos, the times. And what this allows you to do is build a beautiful looking website in minutes. And what you can also do, and I love this feature that this website builder has, is you can send the client a preview of the site. So let me show you what that looks like now. This is what the client would see. I have my agency logo here. You can upload your own logo, doesn't matter. But what it does is it allows you to send them a link with the website you already built out. So you can either send them a template or you can send them a wireframe of how you think their website should look. This is a great tool so you can send this to clients. They can see how their website would look on desktop, on tablet, and on mobile, as well as even down to the specific device type, which is pretty cool. This is a fully functioning version of each device type. This is how you can start to separate yourself from the pack. Not a lot of people are sending links where the client can already see what ideas you have in mind. So always look at how you can use the tools that I'm showing you, and you can add your own personal flavor to them and get the attention of potential clients. And now let's hop back over to the Duda platform. Now that we're back on the Duda platform, I wanted to show you they also have all of these widgets built in. This is where you would drag and drop anything over onto the website. And they also have something really cool called a section. So if you hover over a row and you click on this blue add section sign, you can add in all different kind of sections, from intros to features to an about section, all the way to different team images, specific restaurant sections, and much, much more. This allows you to also make updates on the fly and to build a beautifully designed website even if you don't have any experience. Now, once you know how to build a website, you need to know where you can find photos and icons to use on the website. So in the Profitable Tools and Apps, I have a few of those suggestions that I'm going to walk you through right now. The first is unsplash.com, and their tagline is photos for everyone, where you don't necessarily need to attribute the author. Now, it is recommended and it's very nice to give the author a shout out of the photo, but what you're going to see and learn in freelancing is that there are some rules, like you can't just steal someone else's photo. So when you go to a website that I show you, like Unsplash, you don't have to worry about any of that because these are all free and available for you to use for whatever you want. Here you can search anything and it will come up. So if you're still building that website for a personal trainer, you can type in personal training and it will show you some high quality images you can download and bring right onto the website. You can also click through and search by different tags. So if you want to look for, let's just say, yoga images of personal training, you can get even more nailed down. And this is how you can start to build websites. You know the tools to use now. You have the website builder. I'm showing you where you can get free high-resolution photos. And the last thing you need now is the icons. And the website I use for icons is called Flat Icon. You can get there by going to flaticon.com, and you can see that they also have a bunch of icons to offer, but they're not royalty free unless you have the premium plan, which I think is well worth it if you're doing any sort of design or any website design. These icons can be downloaded onto Canva or onto a website. It's really up to you how you use these. But if we go here again and we search, let's just say training, do personal training, it will give you all of these different icons that you can use on the website. This is one of the most challenging things when you're going to build something in the design world, in the website world, is knowing where to find awesome photos, how to build the website, and then where to find awesome little icons to put on the website. That is how you can build a website in little time and charge thousands of dollars for it. Website design is not going anywhere. It is a profitable freelance skill, and it will be for years and years to come. So if you are interested with website design, I highly recommend giving this a shot, starting to mess around in Duda, and you might have a really good knack for it. You never know until you try. So that was the website design demonstration, and I will see you in the next demo.